Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix BenQ Monitor no signal detected. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the right side, click on the second button from the bottom, click on the input. Now it is the third button from the bottom, and basically select one of these that you're using. If you're using HDMI, select HDMI. If you're using DVI, select DVI. And if you're using D sub, select D sub. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you should fix by turning off your monitor, waiting 30 seconds and turning back on. And if that still doesn't work, maybe try plugging your monitor to other device, or just try changing your cable. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you fix your problem on BenQ Monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.